Welcome back to the date night special. Alright, so today we're looking at an air dryer. This guy was purging about every minute, just kind of spitting off. Got pretty annoying. Driver started complaining about it. So right here, we're going to talk about how to replace it. So it does have a valve in it, a purge valve in it that could be replaced, but more than likely there's a check valve in it that needs to be replaced. And that check valve you can never get to. So best practice to just replace these system savers. Plus, they're so cheap, they're about 300 bucks, and they're not that hard to replace. So, let's follow along and see how it's done. Now, of course, before replacing this, you want to make sure that signal line is not leaking. If it's leaking, then it will be causing it to purge. So if you could verify that that signal line that attaches to the air dryer and then the other side to the air compressor is not leaking on both ends, then you can go ahead and proceed. If it is leaking, fix that first and see if it fixes your issue, because that will definitely cause this thing to leak. Now, a lot of times people forget about changing these canisters, those cartridges on top of the dryer, and when you go to take them off, it'll pull the threads out. So more than likely, you're gonna have to replace the air dryer in that scenario too. But if you can make it common practice, let's just say every 100,000 miles replace that filter, just like your main engine air filter, if you're not doing it already. I'm gonna go check that thing. It's probably pretty plugged up. So right there, I'm using a 3/4 socket that works on all the bolts on the air dryer, front and back. Now, as you can see right there, you got a great view of some SpongeBob arms. Amazing, right? Three bolts on the backside, and that's all it is to take it off. So, while you're here, all the quick disconnect fittings, you may just want to go ahead and replace. A solid brass fitting, you can go ahead and reuse, but the quick disconnect, you know they're going to leak. Go ahead and replace them, plus they're cheap. Put it right back into place, screw it on, and show it who's boss. After that, start the truck, verify it purges at 125, and it doesn't continually purge, and then you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe.